Hi guys, welcome to the EaseUS channel. In this video, I am going to show you some effective methods for recording screen in your Windows 11 PC or laptop, including free built-in tools and professional Windows 11 screen recorder software. All right, let's check these out. I am going to start with the built-in free Windows 11 screen recorder called Xbox Game Bar. It allows you to record your desktop screen with sound easily for free. Here, I take an example of recording my browser with Game Bar. First, press the Windows key or Windows icon plus G on your keyboard to bring up the Xbox Game Bar. Then, you can click on the Capture widget. In the Capture window that appears, you can take screenshots, record your screen, and turn on or turn off the microphone during recording. Then, click on the Record button or press the Windows key, Alt plus R hotkeys to start recording your screen activity. A small box will appear on the screen showing the duration of your recording. When you want to stop your recording, click the Stop Recording to finish the recording. Then click Show All Captures and you will be able to preview your recorded videos. Using the Game Bar, you need to know that you can only record the screen for up to 4 hours, and it can only capture one window at a time. The next one is to use EaseUS RecExperts. Unlike Game Bar, it lets you record longer videos or multi-Windows activities in Windows 11. This screen recorder offers various advanced video capture tools to meet your different needs. For instance, you can use it to capture multiple screens or record the screen with audio or webcam. Now, let's see how to use it for Windows 11 screen recording. Firstly, download RecExperts from its official website, then install it. Launch it, and you will see a simple interface. To make a screen recording, choose the record screen icon on the left panel to continue. Now, you can select your recording area. If you want to record the entire screen, click Full Screen. And for those who like to customize the recording range, select the region option. If you have a webcam, system sound, or microphone recording need, you can turn on the corresponding options respectively. You can also click the gear icon to adjust recording parameters, like file path, video quality, shortcut keys, and so on. Once everything is ready, click Rec to start recording. Then, you will see a 3-second countdown, and then it will start recording the screen. In this floating window, you can also add annotations, take screenshots, and set the time based on your needs. Finally, when your screen activity is over, click the Stop button, and you can preview your recorded videos by clicking Recordings. The last way of recording your Windows 11 screen is to use the Snipping tool. This is a new feature coming with Windows 11. With this freeware, you can not only take images from your screen, but also start a full or portion screen recording on Windows 11. Here's how to use it. Open the Microsoft Snipping tool by searching for the Snipping tool app in the search bar. Then, select the Record button, which looks like a video camera icon, and click on the new icon. Next, drag your mouse to select the area that you want to record. Here you can choose to record Windows 11 screen with or without your microphone, system sound flexibly. When you are ready, click Start. You will see a 3-second countdown. Then, it will start recording the screen. Finally, you have a red Stop button, click Stop, and the Snipping tool app will open your video file automatically so you can watch it back. All right, that's all for today. We hope these 3 programs introduced in this video can help you record Windows 11 screen. If you like this video, don't forget to follow our channel. Thanks for watching.